Super moist plum cake started with the goodness of juicy dry fruits that were soaked in rum for days. After so many trial and error and multiple modifications, this recipe is my yearly ritual which I enjoy making every Christmas. First, we have to soak the dry fruits for a minimum of 24 hours to 30 days. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. I have taken 1/4 cup golden raisins and a little bit of prunes. You can use a mix of golden and black raisins as well. 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons dried pineapple, 1/4 cup dried kiwi, half a cup tutti frutti, 1/4 cup glazed cherries, and also half a cup chopped almonds and cashews. They do not need soaking, so I'll be adding them directly to the cake batter. For 1½ cups flour, you can use 2 to 2½ cups dry fruits. Transfer them to a jar or an airtight container. Add a mixture of half a cup rum and half a cup orange juice. Cover and allow the mixture to soak at room temperature. I soak my dry fruits for 1 week to 10 days. If you don't have that much time, soak them for at least 24 hours. Plum cake has a dark brown color. To get that, we'll make a caramel syrup. Take half a cup sugar in a pan, place it on medium heat and let it melt. Shake the pan in between. As soon as the sugar melts and turns into a dark caramel color, turn the heat to low and carefully add 1/4 cup water. Slowly keep stirring. After around 5 minutes, it will look like this. Take it off the heat and set it aside to cool down. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a cake mold or loaf pan with butter and line with parchment paper. Transfer 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg to a small bowl. Whisk until everything is combined. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter and sugar. Take 120 gram unsalted butter, half a cup light brown sugar, and beat them on medium to high speed until light and fluffy. Add 3 eggs one at a time, beating just until each egg is incorporated. Using a spatula, gradually fold in the flour mixture. Add the soaked fruits. Save around 1/4 cup soaked fruits, which we'll use later. And the caramelized sugar we made earlier, and mix everything well. Add half a cup chopped almonds and cashews, juice and zest of 1 orange. And the stars up above are smiling when 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and mix until everything is well combined. Do not overmix at this stage. Pour the batter into the prepared cake molds. I'm using a 7-inch round cake mold and a 7-inch loaf pan. Sprinkle with soaked dry fruits. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. You can start checking from 45 minutes onwards. Once the cakes are baked and still hot, poke few holes with a toothpick and pour 1 to 2 tablespoons rum all over the cake. Allow the cake to cool down completely, then demold. And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. The cake can be served as it is, but you can decorate the cake with some icing, sugar or fruit jam. You can serve this cake right after it has cooled, but the flavors improve with time, so allow the flavors to settle for at least 1 day. To store it, wrap the cake in a parchment paper, followed by a sheet of aluminum foil, and store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 month or up to 6 to 8 weeks in the refrigerator. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. Hope this recipe becomes your family staple. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a review in the comment section below and do subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.
And the stars up above